What if your home comes up with more open space than concrete and 130 plus ways to enjoy your lifestyle? Welcome to Casa Grande, Casa Valenza by Casa Grande Builders, located in Malasandra, South Bangalore. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal and today we'll be doing the complete project overview in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. Now before starting the video, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, ultimately which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview. So Casa Grande Casa Villa is spread across 27 acres of massive land with 7 towers in all, divided in 2 phases where phase 1 is completely sold out. Phase 2 consists of 3 towers in 10 acres with 2 basement ground plus 26 floors, offering you 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 4 BHK and 5 BHK premium penthouses. Now let's discuss about the location part, and our project is located in Malasandra, South Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project and I'm standing on the main entrance. So this will be the main entrance of our project and this is the Holiday Village Road. This road will connect you towards Nice Ring Road and the opposite side road will connect you towards Kanakapura Main Road. Now about the further connectivity part, so you can connect to Forum Mall in just 15 minutes from the project, whereas Vajrahalli metro station is just 10 minutes away from our project. Talking about the amenities, and this project offers you 130 plus ultra luxurious amenities. You get 3 clubhouses in 2.5 acres, rooftop basketball court, skywalk, open space to relax, pond, sports arena. You get swimming pool with volleyball court. Now let's discuss about the super built-up area, and this project offers you 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 4 BHK and 5 BHK premium penthouse residencies. Where 2 BHK is starting from 1407 to 1656 square feet super built-up area, 3 BHK starting from 1920 to 2171 square feet super built-up area, 4 BHK is 2742 square feet super built-up area and 5 BHK penthouse, that is 3939 square feet super built up area. Now let's discuss about the booking process, and currently our project booking window is open now. So we are inviting our interested clients to come and visit our site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme and will show you the model apartment as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was a complete project overview of Casa Grande Casa Valenza, located on Kanakapura Road in Malasandra, South Bangalore by Casa Grande Builders. If you are looking for more details of the project, you can click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheet.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.